So hello, I'm just going to be giving you a rundown of a procedural generation system I've been making over the weekend. It has two parts. It's got an editor and a main part. I'm just going to start off by generating a level. So as you can see, it's just generated a level. I can center on the character and go into play mode if I want to see what they're doing, but I'm going to go back into editor mode and show you the rubber. So the rubber, you just press right click to paint on the different things. So here's my floor, and the cool thing about the floor is that it does dynamic bit casting on the edges, so you can constantly update the thing. I've also got a wall, and of course must be able to place some enemies around the level. When you like the level, you can save it. I'm going to save this as the video test 03. Save the level, and then you can load from new levels. So to test that, I'm just going to load from the default one I made the other day. My main scene. This is pretty much the same as the other one. You don't have as many options, but what you can do is you can load from any file that you've made or that is saved, and then you just jump straight into the play mode. And then let's play the one that we made a second ago. Here it is. So the cool thing about this is also that this has been made in the way a tool has been made, so you can just add in different tiles here and say how many enemies you want per room max, different sizes of rooms, and the length of the corridors. So that's been the project. It's been really fun.